yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince song. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. As you can see, I'm already wearing my makeup for this one because it's gonna be so easy, guys, I promise. The hair I'm gonna be wearing today came in this cute paper bag. I cannot get over how cute it is. I actually wanna wear it. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna wear it, but it is cute. Anyway, enough of showing this little bag off. Let me get inside and see what's in there because I know that's what you came for. As if the bag wasn't cute enough, they put it inside of a box that looks even cuter. It's like I'm unwrapping a present. Inside the box is the hair, of course, and it's 26 inches, which is definitely gonna be fabulous because I love long hair. I pulled my first headband out that came with the wig and I thought it was really pretty. I also got a thank you card, and on the reverse side of it are instructions on how to take care of my wig. I got a stocking cap and Lord knows I cannot have too many of these, and this pack has 2 in it. They also sent me a pair of lashes. Yes, I will be wearing these because, you know, I love my lashes. And last but not least, I got 2 more headbands, and these headbands are reversible. They have a total different color on the other side. Here's a quick look at the wig, you guys. It has this strap on it that's gonna help to hold it onto your head. And on the ends, it has Velcro that will allow me to adjust it however I want to fit my head. Before putting it on, I shake and fluff it a little bit in order to make it look fuller after being compressed in the bag for shipping. I really like this hair. It reminds me of a very high quality hair I've used before, but I won't be saying from what company. Just trust and believe me that this is a good quality. I really like the curls. I had to hold it there in front of the camera for you guys to see for yourself. Enough said. Let me put this baby on and see how I like it. So far, so good. It still haven't disappointed me yet. I used my fingers to tweak it a little bit, and then I decided to use some water to hydrate it and soften it up to my liking. And in this bottle, I have not just water but also leave-in conditioner and some oil because this is what I usually spray on my scalp when I have braids in, so that's what I'm using on this hair today. After I finished spraying the water on it, it was soft enough to the point where I could just use my finger to comb through it. I then put my headband on, adjusted how I wanted, and then I decided since I'm wearing black and the hair is black, I'm gonna go change so you guys could see the beauty of this hair. And there you have it. Beauty, beauty, beauty. This hair is definitely another one of my must-have wigs. It feels really soft, so you know the texture is really good and absolutely no shredding. I have to admit, headband wigs are my favorite. They save me every time when I'm having a bad hair day, and this one falls in my top 3 category of favorite headband wigs. I really like how full it is. I don't like my wigs to look flat unless it's straight, of course. But in my opinion, curly hair must have some fullness to it. That's what gives it life. I decided to put it up in a bun. Yes, I know I could have done a better job with my bun, but for recording purposes, let's pretend it's a good bun. But yeah, I actually love it up in this messy bun. The next time I wear it, I'm definitely gonna be trying more styles with it. A big shout out to Jessie's Selection for sponsoring this video. Don't just take my word for it. Get yourself one of these wigs and you'll be thanking me later. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.